If you've got Nutella, puff pastry, and 10 spare minutes, you're officially in dessert territory. Today, we're making the easiest chocolate croissants ever. No mixer, no rolling pin, just pure magic in the air fryer. We're starting with 2 sheets of puff pastry. Lay 1 sheet flat on a cutting board or a baking mat. Now it's time for the real star of the show, Nutella. And listen, this is not the moment to be shy. Grab a spoon and spread a generous layer across the entire surface. We're not doing polite little swipes here, and this is full chocolate coverage, edge to edge. And this is a quick tip for you. If your Nutella a bit stiff, warm it slightly for about 10 seconds in the microwave, and it will spread like a dream. And if you're wondering, is this too much? The answer is no. If anything, it's probably not enough. Oh, and here's a little hack. If you've got a pancake flipping spatula lying around, use it to spread the Nutella. It gives you a super even layer without tearing the pastry. Plus, it feels oddly satisfying, like you're icing a giant chocolate cake. Once our Nutella is covered, lay the second pastry sheet on top. Give it a gentle press to seal it up like a sandwich. And now, fun part. Grab a sharp knife or a pizza cutter, whichever makes you feel more in control, and slice the pastry diagonally into long triangles. Just like we do for classic croissants. Try to make the base wider than the tip. This helps us roll them beautifully later. Main action of the show, shaping the croissants. Start from the wide end and roll each triangle toward the tip, gently but with purpose. Tuck the end underneath so it doesn't unroll while baking. By the way, what's the weather like where you are? Is summer finally showing up? Or are you still stuck with rainy days? We'd love to hear from you in the comments. Now your kitchen counter looks like a mini croissant factory, and honestly, we're totally here for it. Place a piece of parchment paper in your air fryer basket to help them bake evenly on both sides. You can gently poke a few holes in it with a knife for better air circulation. Then arrange your rolled croissants with a bit of space in between. They'll puff up as they cook. Brush each one with a bit of egg yolk to help them get that golden bakery-style shine. Set your air fryer to 190 degrees Celsius and bake for about 12 to 15 minutes, depending on your model. You'll know they're done when they're golden and flaky. They will be making your whole kitchen smell like a French bakery. Once they're out, give them just a minute to cool. If you can wait, of course. We know it's tough with that golden crust staring at you and the smell filling the kitchen. And don't forget the grand finale, a generous dusting of powdered sugar. And that's it. Crispy on the outside, warm and gooey on the inside, and absolutely perfect with coffee, tea, or let's be honest, straight out of the basket. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a like, hit subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.